Hi friends, let's make spicy Suya King Prawns noodles. And what I'll be needing for this recipe is king prawns, talon. I'll be using Indomie, chicken flavor, king prawns. I'll be using suya spice. I'll be using some red bell pepper and onions. Let's start. The first thing I will do is to open my Indomie and put them in the pot in a boiling hot water. Put a little bit of the suya spice. I'm not putting the entire spice of the Indomie because I'll be putting the suya spice. And then I'm adding my washed tail prawns. And then that's the suya spice I'm adding. To garnish it, I'm adding some onions and the chopped red bell pepper, and that's my indomie cooked. I'm leaving a little bit of water so it's not completely dry and it feels a little bit like pepper soup, and there's just some water to drink. My prawns is well cooked and ready to be chewed. Thank you.